Glam fam, your girl has been having a lot of breakouts recently. Some that I tried everything on and could not find a way to get rid of. But today I have the perfect brand for you all, and it is called Banish. They reached out to me at the perfect timing, at a time that I needed to improve my skin so badly. And I'm going to share with you all exactly how these products work and how they have improved my skin. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Hi Glam Stars, I'm Mattie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So a brand by the name of Banish reached out to me in regards to trying out their Banish starter kit, and I was so excited to try out these products because I've been looking for something new to rejuvenate my skin and to just give me that healthy, beautiful glow and to get rid of all dark spots and acne. And turns out this was the perfect brand for that. I'm going to share with you all exactly how I use these products and how you can incorporate them into your skincare routine in order to get beautiful, glowy skin. I'm also going to be sharing with you all what all of these products are good for. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more and watch my skincare routine, then just continue watching. So recently your girl has been suffering from a lot of dark spots, and thankfully Banish contacted me just in time so that I could banish all of my dark spots. So let me start this video off by sharing with you all my Banish starter kit and all of the things that you will receive in your Banish starter kit. Okay, so first we have the Banish Fighter Gel, and as you all can see, this is a really good size product. The instructions for this fighter gel is apply a small amount of the fighter gel on areas of irritation, redness, or on breakouts 1 to 2 times a day and leave on. Use the gel after cleansing and after your serums or treatments, but before creams, oils, or sunscreen. So for me, this is something that I typically put on before I go to bed at night because, you know, any acne that I may have gotten throughout that day or that may have been forming, I'll go ahead and apply this to that problem area. And let me tell you all, this wipes away acne in just one night. It's amazing how this product works, and this is just one of my favorites, okay? So I apply this after I've already completed my whole entire skincare routine to my problem areas, all right? Next up, we have the pumpkin enzyme mask, which I'm getting ready to apply right now before I get into the shower. And the instructions for the pumpkin enzyme mask are use 1 to 3 times per week. Do not use right after the banisher. AHAs in this mask exfoliate skin. Best for textured and congested acne prone skin. This right here is also super duper amazing. I've been using this for a few days and I'm getting ready to put this on my skin. Now, this product right here definitely works some miracles for the skin. And this is another product that I use each and every single night. This is the Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. And you're recommended to use this morning or night just to hydrate the skin and even out the skin tone. For me personally, I use this every single morning and night, and it's definitely helped to hydrate my skin. So let me go ahead and get started with putting on my face mask. Now I will be using the pumpkin enzyme mask as I mentioned that I would be.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it?
this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm about to go take a shower, so while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna wash this product off, and I'm gonna come in here and finish the rest of my skincare routine with my Glam fam, of course. So you guys just stay tuned and continue watching. So I am fresh out of the shower, and to moisturize my skin after I washed my face, I use the Banish Vitamin C Cream. And I really love this moisturizer. It isn't a very heavy moisturizer, but it is still extremely moisturizing on the skin, and it left my skin feeling so soft and so supple. I absolutely love how this made my skin feel. This right here is a 10 out of 10 from me. Okay, if you don't get anything else from this line, I definitely recommend this to you because it is very moisturizing and very light. It also gives your skin such a beautiful glow. I also used the Banish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. This also felt so amazing on my skin, and I just love the minty fresh feeling that this gave to my skin. It made my skin feel so rejuvenated and so nice, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to use this product. This is also amazing, you know, for keeping your skin clear and just, you know, making your skin feel amazing with that minty fresh feeling that it gives to your face. So for the extra blemishes that I have, I'm going to be using the Fighter Gel on tonight, and I will be applying this to all little areas, whether it's just a small little pimple there or just an acne blemish in general. So let's go ahead and let's apply this to all of our acne spots. I'm going to be using my hands to do it, or actually my finger. I'm going to be using my finger to do it, and I'm just going to apply this to my areas of concern. On while I sleep and slumber. I've learned that that is a way that definitely helps me to be able to rid my skin of all acne blemishes with this specific product here. But what I'm going to do is rest in this, and when I wake in the morning, my skin should be a lot more clear and a lot more rejuvenated. Okay, this product right here, it works wonders for the skin. So I'm going to see y'all in the morning. Hi Glam fam, good morning. This is my morning face, and I'm getting my morning skincare routine in. Now today I'm going to be using my Banisher, and I only use this once a week, so that is what I'm getting ready to do right now. Now this was created to get rid of those acne scars. So if you're a person that's suffering from a lot of acne scars from acne that you may have had in the past, this will help to completely remove those scars over a period of time. This Banisher features gold-plated titanium bristles, so you don't have to worry about having any issues from this product. It is 100% sturdy and made to give you the best skin that you've ever had. So what you do with this is you stamp it on your problem areas. So for me, I've been having a lot of problem areas here on my forehead. I also have some dark spots here on my cheeks. So what happens is you press it into that area, and then when you pick it up, you rotate it. So press it into your problem area, rotate. And then after I I finish that, I love to use my Banish oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a small amount in my hand. You don't need too much. A lot goes a long way. And just apply it to my face. And that is how you use your Banish kit. I will have it listed down below if you would like to purchase your very own Banish starter kit. It is on sale right now, so you might want to hop on that, okay? Because it definitely is a great deal. And you're getting such amazing products that will help to improve your skin in so many different types of ways. I'm so happy that I was able to test this out myself, and I want to thank Banish so much for sponsoring this video. Now, a little bit more information about the company Banish. Banish has a 45-day money-back guarantee if these products do not work for you, which we all know that these products are going to work for you because they're so amazing. I would not be sharing it with my Glam Stars if they did not work. They definitely help to improve the skin, so I'm pretty sure you won't be using that 45-day money-back guarantee, but if need be, it is definitely available to you. Now, if you're suffering from any type of acne or skin problems, just know that you are able to improve your skin in so many different types of ways, and Banish is definitely a way to do so. And if you are interested in purchasing this starter kit, I am a Banish affiliate, and I will have all of my links down below as to where you can purchase your very own Banish starter kit. Please use my code Mattie for $5 off any orders that are $50 and more. I promise you, you will not regret purchasing your very own Banish starter kit. Now, fun fact about the brand Banish. Banish was founded by Daisy, who had acne since the 3rd grade, and she had tried product after product until she finally created Banish, and that helped her to improve her skin and get her skin to where it is on today. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to check out Banish and use my code Mattie for $5 off any order that is $50 or more. And I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.